Ever met someone who causes small trouble but makes you smile at the same time? That playful spark, that clever naughtiness, has a perfect word in English. Today, we explore mischievous, a word full of fun, curiosity, and just a little bit of trouble. Meaning and definition. Mischievous means playfully causing trouble or minor problems, often in a clever or humorous way. It usually does not describe serious harm. Instead, it points to behavior that is naughty but charming. Pronunciation and part of speech. Mischievous is pronounced as a mischievous. It is an adjective used to describe people, expressions, actions, or even ideas. How mischievous is used. When someone is mischievous, they enjoy teasing, joking, or bending rules for fun. A child hiding someone's keys as a joke, or a friend planning a harmless prank, can both be described as mischievous. Synonyms of mischievous. Some common synonyms include playful, full of fun and energy. Naughty and mildly disobedient. Impish, childishly clever. Cheeky, slightly rude but amusing. Example. He gave a mischievous smile before surprising his friends with a prank. Antonyms of mischievous. Common antonyms include serious, well-behaved, obedient, proper. Example. She was calm and well-behaved, not mischievous at all during the meeting. Example sentences in daily life. The puppy had a mischievous look after stealing a shoe. Her mischievous laugh told everyone she was planning something fun. The movie hero is loved for his mischievous personality. Why this word matters. Mischievous is a powerful descriptive word. It adds emotion, personality, and vivid imagery to your English. It helps you describe behavior that is naughty, but in a lovable way. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.